Why does your scanner show the P2051 engine code? What does it mean? P2051 is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant injector circuit low bank, 2 Unit 1. The P2051 engine code for indicate the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected a voltage drop or an electrical malfunction in the circuit controlling of your engine. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or corroded wiring, faulty DEF injector, defective injector air sensor, exhaust leaks, PCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW, Volkswagen, Ford, Ram, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.